In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an answer as unhelpful in the Perplexity iPhone app. Giving clear feedback helps the app learn what works and what doesn't, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the main screen and signed in. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that so the menus look the same as what you see here. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. It usually looks like a small avatar or your photo. This takes you to your profile area, where you can quickly access your activity. From here, select an answer you want to review. If you have several conversations, choose the one with the specific response you'd like to give feedback on. You can open the thread and then tap the particular answer you want to evaluate. Once that answer is on your screen, scroll all the way to the bottom of the answer. Keep swiping until you reach the end of that specific response. Some answers can be long, so take a second to make sure you're at the very bottom, not just near the end. Now look for the three-dot menu located below the answer. It's a small icon that may appear as three horizontal dots, often called the More menu. Tap that menu to open the available options for this response. From the menu, select Unhelpful, which is indicated by a thumbs down icon. This tells the app that the response missed the mark for you. After selecting Unhelpful, you'll see a text box where you can provide additional feedback. Write a short, specific note explaining what went wrong. For example, you might say the answer was inaccurate, incomplete, off-topic, or unclear. Being specific helps the team understand exactly what needs improvement. You'll also see a list of descriptive words or categories. Put a check mark next to the ones that best match your feedback. Choose the labels that most closely describe your issue so your feedback is both precise and easy to process. When you're done, tap Submit. You may see a brief confirmation message, and your feedback will be sent. That's it. Your input has been recorded and will help improve future answers. To recap, open the app, go to your profile, select the answer you want, scroll to the bottom, use the three-dot menu, mark it as unhelpful, add your notes, choose the best descriptors, and submit. Thanks for taking the time to provide feedback. It really makes a difference.